Every second, a silent war is raging inside you. Trillions of microscopic soldiers fight, not for power, not for money, but for you. You never asked for this war, but without it, you'd be gone in seconds. Inside your veins, beneath your skin, a vast empire thrives. An empire made of cells. They are born, they live, they die, all in silence. Yet every heartbeat triggers a command. Protect the host. You. Your body is not a body. It's a battlefield. A trillion warriors fighting against an invisible enemy. Viruses, bacteria, mutations, and sometimes themselves. When a virus enters, it stumps not just infection, it's an invasion. A single strand of genetic code. So small, it could hide inside a dust particle, yet powerful enough to hijack the machinery of life. It doesn't attack with weapons, it attacks with lies. It tricks your cells into serving it, turning your own body into a factory of destruction. And your immune system? It answers with fire. Millions of white blood cells rush into battle. Macrophages, T cells, B cells, each with a purpose, each with loyalty only to you. They hunt, they remember, they evolve. To them, you are not a person. You are their world, their entire universe. And they will burn themselves out just to keep that universe alive. But every war leaves scars. When your immune system wins, it doesn't celebrate, it rebuilds. Dead cells are cleared away. Inflammation fades. But sometimes the army forgets who the enemy was. It turns on its own home. And that's septits, how autoimmune diseases are born. The line between defense and destruction is razor thin. Too much fight, and the body consumes itself. Too little, and it seps overrun. Balance is survival. Even now, as you sit still, millions of battles are being fought inside you. A microscopic chaos, orchestrated into harmony. Cells communicating, sacrificing, evolving. To make sure you wake up tomorrow. You don't feel the heat of this war, but every breath you take is proof. But that you stir winning. The war inside you is not about destruction. It's about creation. Because from conflict comes adaptation. From survival comes evolution. And from pain comes life. You are not fragile. You are forged in war. A masterpiece of survival, billions of years in the making. So next time you think you stir doing nothing, remember, inside you, an entire universe is fighting to keep you alive. If you love the strange, beautiful, and terrifying truths about your body, subscribe to Insane Biology Stories. Because your cells have stories too. You just haven't yet heard them yet.